Hi, this video is the hair transplant restoration surgery on an Indian man who had a class 4-5 hair loss pattern, and we did around over 5,000 grafts from him. This client did a lot of research and trying to find the perfect surgeon for him. Not just the density, but he wanted the most natural hairline, that when he had the surgery done that no one know he had surgery. You know, the surgical skill will dictate the density. The artistic and aesthetic detail, that will determine how natural the hairline is. And look at his hair right now, looks fantastic. And I'm going to show the audience what he looked like before. And I'm extremely happy with the result because he has gained 10 to 20 years of his youth back. And I'm telling you, he can go Bollywood right now. And that's him before, right after. You see how volume and density from the mid eyebrow to the hairline on average for Asian and black is around 6.5 to 7. For Caucasian it's around 7.5 to 8.5. So this client is actually around 7 centimeter. On the right hand side, look at that. You see how nice volume and density. On the left hand side, look at excellent volume and density. And top view, you can see how bald he was a year later. Before, a year later, before. And that's where he was. Now, show the audience. Now I'm gonna zoom in. And I'm gonna comb the hair down for the audience to see. So we just comb up first, to see how thick and lush his hair is. Look at that. And then we can comb down. That's his real hair. Excellent volume and density. It's your real hair. You can cut it, you can perm it, you can dye it, you can do anything with it. That's the most important, and it will continue to grow. And now we have the technology to have excellent hair result. So turn this way for me. There we go. And again, we can comb it up. Excellent. And we can comb it down. Look at that. I'm extremely happy for him because with a lower set of hairline, a full set of hair, he looks much younger, gaining 10 to 20 years of his youth back. And turn this way. Look at that. You see, look at how much volume. And then we comb it down for the audience to see. And you can go back straight forward. There we go. Look at that. He didn't have this kind of volume, no density. And it's permanent. I mean, transplant is permanent. Now, you know, when we get older, of course, we lose the hair. And why? It's because of age, not because of hair genetic pattern hair loss, because we take the hair from the permanent area. And you see how excellent volume. And we're gonna have him look down. Okay, that's where he is now. Thank you.